Hello and welcome to English with Rudy. In this lesson, we will learn how to use the past simple and the past continuous tense. I watched TV. I was watching TV. What's the difference between these two sentences and how do we use them? As you may have noticed, the first sentence, I watched TV, is in the past simple tense. And I was watching TV is in the past continuous tense. We use the past simple tense to talk about completed actions. And we use the past continuous tense to talk about incomplete actions at some point of time in the past. Let's look at these two sentences a little closer. Let's say you started watching TV at 6 p.m. and you finished watching TV at 7 p.m. So if somebody asks you, what did you do in the evening? You would say, I watched TV from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Or simply, I watched TV in the evening. But if somebody asks you, what did you do at 6:30 p.m.? Then you would say, I was watching TV at 6:30 p.m. Because you did not complete the action of watching TV at 6:30. Or in other words, you were still watching TV at 6:30 p.m. Let's use another example. They ate dinner. They were eating dinner. Let's say they started eating dinner at 8 p.m. and finished eating dinner at 8:30 p.m. So when you ask, what time did they eat dinner? Then you would say, they ate dinner at 8 p.m. and finished at 8:30 p.m. But if the question were to be, what did they do at 8:15 p.m.? Then your answer would be, they were eating dinner at 8:15 p.m. We must also keep in mind that in the past simple tense, we use the verbs in the past form. And in the past continuous tense, we use the be verbs was or were and the ing form. So remember, the past simple tense is used to talk about completed actions in the past, and the past continuous tense is used to talk about incomplete actions at some point of time in the past. For more tips and lessons, please subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.